I just got off the phone with a client and had to immediately come and film this. So I hope it's beneficial. What is estate planning? Well, I can tell you what it's not. It is not drafting a will. It's not coming up with a trust strategy such as putting all your assets in a revocable trust so they pass on without probate. It's not avoiding probate. It's not eliminating estate taxes. It's not making sure that your kids are named as your beneficiaries, your executors, your trustees. It's not having a file drawer full of paperwork that your family would need to pull from in case something happened to you. Don't get me wrong. All those things are probably important to some degree, some of them to everybody, some of them to a few, but that's not really what estate planning is. They may be components of it, but that's not estate planning. So don't get caught up in sales words and seminars or phone calls or newspaper ads or billboards about avoiding taxes, avoiding probate, making sure your assets are protected, as I said, from creditors, nursing home, things like that. They're sales tools to get you in the door by professionals to sell you something or to basically charge you a fee for something. That's not estate planning. Estate planning is just basically a conversation. If you talk to us as financial planners, we're going to tell you that when we discuss, let's go over your estate plan. What we're saying is tell us your story. Tell us about your family. Tell us about the things that you like, that you don't like, your experiences in the past, your kids' experiences, your spouse's experience, your parents' experiences. What do we need to be focused on specifically to you, to your family situation, your kids, your grandkids, your parents, your nieces, your nephews, your brothers, your sisters, to you. Not a cookie cutter answer for all. There never is such a thing whatsoever. So, estate planning is a conversation to learn those things about you, to make sure that if you become disabled, if you get sick, if you pass away, that your wishes are followed legally, appropriately, efficiently going forward. These are yours, or not somebody else's. So we have to know that deeply. That's why when you talk to us, we ask so many questions. We get to know things so deeply, and it's not just a little packet that you can fill out and you go, we're going to put a estate plan together. Here's the types of things you need. We'll recommend you go to certain people to do some of the things that you are going to need to be done specifically for your situation again, but it's not packaged. There is not such a thing to make it work right. So I wanted to give you a little heads up on that because I just got off the phone, like I said, with a client who was solicited on doing an estate plan. And what was discussed with her was it was a sales tool. It was absolutely not estate planning. If you want to go further with that, our office is always ready for you. Just give us a call and we can really talk to you about what that is. Thank you.